How to undo and redo actions in Kdenlive. First of all, to undo an action, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl Z. This will immediately reverse your last change on the timeline or in the project. Whether you accidentally deleted a clip, moved something by mistake, or applied an unwanted effect, Ctrl Z will help you step back easily. Next, to redo an action that you have undone, press Ctrl Shift Z. This will restore the action you just reversed, allowing you to toggle between different edits without losing any progress. You can also use the undo and redo in the toolbar under the edit menu. These buttons look like curved arrows pointing left and right. Remember, Kdenlive keeps a history of multiple actions, so you can undo and redo several steps, not just the last one. This feature is very helpful when working on complex projects with many edits. And that's it. Now you know how to undo and redo actions in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.